I saw you standing there, something shifted in the air. Your smile broke through the noise, I forgot how to speak.
Oh, I know when I was falling, every heartbeat started calling. Time slowed down that moment, I knew this was different. We found each other in a room full of strangers. That spark ignited everything we are now, everything we are.
Kakaiba, pag-ibig nating dalawa, di maikukumpara. Pagmamahal ng tapat at totoo, pag-ibig ng ikaw at ako.
First of all, I want to thank God for your life. Dahil ikaw yung binigay niya sa akin para mas makasama ko habang buhay at bumuo ng sariling pamilya.
Ligtas at masaya ang puso pag nariyang ka. Pag di ka kasama, di mangangamba, kasi alam kong sa akin ka. Ng iba, at kahit na
That night, I was so eager in my prayer to find someone na magpaparamdam sa akin. Paano ba mahalin? Paano ba magmahal? And God gave me you in His perfect timing.
kakaiba, pag-ibig nating dalawa, di maikukumpara. Pagmamahal ng tapat at totoo, pag-ibig ng ikaw at ako. Tiwala sa iyo'y buong buo.
I promise to be your partner in every adventures, and together we will collect new treasures, new memories, and new experiences.
Ay aayusin at tatanggapin.
Ingatan lang ninyo. Ingatan ninyo, no, na huwag mawala yung apoy ng pagmamahal, no, na nagliliyab sa inyong puso.
Kakaiba, 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 pag-ibig nating dalawa, di maikukumpara. Pagmamahal ng tapat at totoo, pag-ibig ng ikaw at kakaiba, pag-ibig nating dalawa, di maikukumpara.
I promise to be your constant in every challenges in our life. And as we build our life together with each other, I will love you with all of my life through up and downs, and choose you today, every day, and for all of the days of our life.
Nating dalawa, ating dalawa, yeah.
I'm always saying na yung next relationship ko, siya na rin yung magiging asawa ko. And God gave me you in His perfect timing. Alam niyang I'm ready to get married and build a family with Him. So let's start this new journey together. And I love you, my love.
Kukumpara pagmamahalang tapat at totoo, pag-ibig ng ikaw